It's a lot fancier than I thought.
Yeah. It's like a cruise ship.
It is.
What's that? Where's the light?
I don't know. Not working yet, maybe. Alright, there we go. Wow. A little cabin. So good. How awesome is this? Wicked. Look at this. Let me open this thing. Oi. Wow, that's epic.
Check
Oh
the
my god,
bathroom.
dude. Cabin for the win. How good.
Oh my god, this is actually really good.
It is. So glad we got a cabin.
Wow.
G'day.
Hello. We're currently on the Spirit of Tasmania on our way over to Tassie. It's 7 o'clock now and we've got about an hour to go. It was a bit delayed. We were supposed to arrive at 6:30 I think, or maybe 7:30, but it was a bit delayed this morning. I'm not sure why, but I've got some footage of us when we first got on the boat and we walked into our little cabin. It's so cool. This little cabin.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome.
It's definitely worth. There's some people who just booked the recliners, and I guess it's not too bad for the day trip if you want to book a recliner, but it is nice to come into the cabin. We've got like beds in here if we wanted to have a nap.
We even get like a little shower.
Yeah,
shower.
had a shower, which was nice. We're watching some movies just to get the time go past. But yeah, this is our new vlog. This will be our first Tasmania vlog, so we thought best started on the boat. But yeah, we're not sure if you're going to be able to see too much of us getting off the boat. Had a big day. Yeah.
Really,
doing nothing.
been really busy.
Yeah, we're not sure if you're going to see too much footage of us getting off the boat because it will be dark.
But yeah.
Maybe it'll be dark, but this is our view. You want to turn on? The sun is going down.
Hopefully you can see the land out there. That is Tasmania. Pretty sick.
Yeah, so we also had a buffet lunch on the boat. It was $27 per person, and it was just like a standard buffet and a drink and stuff, so we did that. But you can pack your own food, which is good. Once you leave your car, they give you like a warning saying we're closing the cars, like you can't go back down to them, so we made sure that we had everything with us that we needed for the day.
You're not allowed down where the cars are because it's too dangerous.
Yeah.
They strap down a bunch of the trucks and stuff because when you're crossing the Bass Strait, it's notoriously rough.
Yeah, we did have a bit of rough, like not too bad. I'm sure they've had it worse, but I started feeling a bit unwell, so I had to lay down. I've got some quells, which is good. But yeah, it's been smooth for probably the majority of the trip.
Yeah, I think it's about as smooth as it gets. Like the boat's barely rocking at all at the moment.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll film once we get to the next place, wherever we're going, wherever there's light, because I don't think there will be any this afternoon.
No, I'm gonna go find our campsite in the dark.
Yeah, so that'll be fun.
Just a free camp too, so nothing's booked.
Yeah, we don't have anything planned as of yet for Tassie. We've got a few things in mind, a few places we want to go and have a look at, a few places that people have suggested. But yeah, we'll continue on.
Later.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning from Tasmania.
I was going to say day one in Tasmania. Last night we stayed at the Forth Valley Recreation Area. It's just over there. Around there somewhere, and it's just like a RV 48-hour stay, so it was about 15 minutes from where the port is, where the boat came in, so it wasn't too long of a drive last night. And this morning we are heading over to Woolworths to do a bit of food shopping, because you're not allowed to bring any fresh fruit or veg into Tasmania, so we are completely empty of any fruit or vegetables. So we're going to go to Woolies today and do a bit of a food shop and just see what's around. It's a bit rainy today. We woke up to a bit of rain. Hopefully that passes. It's supposed to be fine tomorrow, but we'll see how we go. Hey. Yeah.
Yeah. Get some bread or something. Hello. Got our pet ducks. You're scaring them off, Charlotte.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Look at all these damn ducks. Oh, far out. Good morning. We've just woken up at the Tall Timbers 72-hour rest stop. We just found on Wiki Camps. We've been using Wiki Camps heaps, and we're just in the northwest corner of Tasmania at the moment, and we're heading down to Lake McIntosh today. There's a nice campsite next to the water, hopefully. Should be good. Yeah, at the moment we're next to a little pond, and there was a bunch of ducks here yesterday, and Charlotte was feeding a few of them, which was pretty awesome, so she'll drop that footage in.
They're obviously
cool.
very used to people, because they came right up to my face.
Yeah, they're very friendly.
Yeah.
So yeah, bit of excitement. Yeah, beautiful day today. It was a bit overcast yesterday and we had a few showers, but the weather is definitely getting better. Loving it. Oh, how good. Wow, it's so steep. Yay. What a good way to start the morning.
Woo!
Hello, we are here at Guide Falls. There's no one else here, just got the van there, and just a quick stop down this little track. You can already see and hear them.
Matt won't go swimming.
Charlotte won't go swimming. She said it's too cold, so she's scared.
No, I didn't. I said let's go, and you said you can go on your own. I don't want to go on my own.
So I'll just push her in. Anyway, see, you made it. Not bad. What do you reckon?
I reckon we should go for a swim.
Oh my god. Keep filming in case Charlotte sits over. Here we are. Come on. Oh my god.
It's these shoes.
So graceful. Oh, that's so pretty.
We've made it to camp. Here we are. It's Lake McIntosh. It is so cool. How cool is this? It's like next to a dam. Like there's a dam as well. A dam wall. Somewhere we drove past. Oh, it's so cool. Hey, coolest campsite ever.
Most epic campsite so far.
Getting the drone out to take some drone footage. There's a few people back over there, but we've pretty much got the rest of the place to ourselves.
We're just down here near a place called Strawn. It's just on like the west coast of Tasmania. And I found a little spot where I managed to get the van on the beach, which is sick. Pretty much just for photos though. I don't actually plan on driving very far. I've already turned around and we'll head back because I don't really want to get stuck. But just thought I couldn't pass up a cool opportunity. Get the big girl down on the sand. Awesome.
You want to go standing?
No, just keep going. Just walk. Don't drop your phone.
Oh my. Oh my
This
God.
is epic.
This is scary, guys.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Finally found a wombat. Just up there. There's another one, like right there somewhere. There's one just there. It's pretty cool. A little wombat. Wombat. Alright, just found another wombat right next to the track. There he is. The little bugger. So cool. How awesome is that? It's been my mission to find a wombat somewhere in Victoria. We didn't see one. And then now in Tasmania we found the wombats. Right there. G'day.
Hello.
We're at the Hillwood
Berry farm.
Yeah, berry farm. And we only get to pick strawberries and raspberries today. I think the other ones are out of season. They got blackberries and blueberries and stuff. But unfortunately they're out. Yeah, we're going to head over to the raspberries. Pretty cool.
So cool. Always wanted to do this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah. I have to put my hand in the spiders together.
Big fella. Yeah.
I forget that bugs go on fruit.
Yeah. Geez, there's so many nice ones.
Yeah, they're all in with the spiders.
They're so red.
Yeah.
Juicy. G'day, I'm back. I'm just at the Lowhead Lighthouse above, sort of just northeast of Launceston. We went into Lilydale this morning and got some breakfast at the Bean Barrow, a little cafe our friend's good mate's dad owns, and it was awesome. Probably one of the best breakfasts I've had, to be honest. Pretty cool. Just looking at stuff today. We went to a berry farm earlier. That was awesome. Went and picked a bunch of strawberries and raspberries. Unfortunately, blackberries weren't in season because I was keen to get some of them, but it's alright. What am I doing now? Just walking back up. I just came down here, checking out the rocks and stuff, and the ship's coming in. And there's also, apparently there's a big penguin colony that lives here, but you generally don't see them during the day around here. So we probably skipped this penguin tour because we did one at the last place. And yeah, Charlotte's in the van chilling. I think she's a bit tired, so we just came for a bit of a walk. Cool. Oh, funny story. Charlotte booked a caravan park in Lilydale yesterday, which is all good, but I tried to put into Google Maps and there was no caravan park coming up in Lilydale because she actually booked Lilydale, Victoria. We're in Tasmania, and it was already paid for and everything, but luckily we got a refund and it was all good. So yeah, bit of a stuff around, but oh well. G'day.
Hello.
We're down here at Bridport. Lovely day. Wind's a bit chilly.
Yeah, the sun's warm, but the wind is cold.
Awesome.
We've done a lot of filming this week, more so of us like walking around and scenery and stuff, not so much of us actually talking.
Did a few bushwalks and went to the Cradle Mountain.
Yeah. So that's probably, the majority of the vlog is probably going to be scenery and us walking around and stuff. So yeah, we're going to end it here though, because I think we've got a lot of footage for this week. Where this is week 2 now of Tasmania, so we'll continue on in the next vlog for week 2.
Rightio.
Bye!
See ya.